Yes, you're rude. I'm not wearing no. Get in that color.
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Oi, so we allow my name so far, what me I know?
Me don't ask you if you have good night on.
Yeah, me I go down in the town, but me I finish wash out them here. Them here so, and then when I'm done, me go down there, walk my way one.
Not true, me do you want to buy something for me?
So where you get money from?
I the money I'm save up from school.
So hold on there. So you dress up so like you go somewhere. Make sure no plan your plan for the yard, no little girl. Just try make sure you know. I'm not want to bring nobody out of a place, you know. And that may I tell you. Right? Because me not understand you just interested to find out if me are the yard and when then you just dress up so like you go somewhere. If you ever left the yard today, mark it 10, just know where you go get when you come back in. You hear me I tell you? I'm going to come back off the road and you know something. And I'm going to come see nobody in my yard and you know something. Because I'm tired to talk to you.
I'm not going nowhere. I just dress up in the yard. Everything you just a cuss. So.
If you like, give me something to talk about and cuss every day about. Mona just a cuss, I get up a cuss like my mad, so.
But mommy, me simply ask you something I come take out a problem them for me.
It's alright. You go and talk, you're free to talk, you hear? That may I tell you.
I come go in now. Me simply ask you if you go somewhere, come want you buy something for me. I come go. No, babes, I can't come now. My mother there, so I'm going to tell you when to come. It is either I call you or text you when to come. I can't come. Alright? Love you too. Odien! 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 Oh, you're there!
Chanel!
Yeah?
Come here there. Alright, I'm going to town now. So, I want you to take out the clothes off the line for me here. And take out the chicken for out for me. Hey, and make sure you don't left the yard, you know. Make sure you don't come out the yard, you know. Because if you ever come out the yard and broke your neck in today, you hear me say?
Yeah.
Where do you say you want tonight town again? Where do you say you want?
I never want nothing. That good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So I go in my souk come. I have to take out the something for me and take out the chicken till I come back, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello? You can't come now. Alright.
You're not happy that? Happy there you go.
Your mother don't have them young go.
Oh.
So she not long there?
Yeah, she down there. I like how you live good. I not live far out. Want to keep up that. I like that about you. Know. A long time when I come, you know. You understand? You especially, I just like you because I hear your name and mix up in a bag of man and them something there. You understand what I say? And that's a good girl. Them kind of friend them want my daughter to have. You understand what I say?
Yeah, man. She come like a sister to me. Real channel, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I like that. This when I go down there, tell her if you take out the chicken, remember if you take out the chicken and take out the clothes off the line. Here. Alright, I'm gonna be able to say it till I come back. Alright? Later.
Send me some sexy pictures and show me what I'm coming and I'm about the foolishness, you know. If people they just go in my bathroom and take some pictures. I want some sexy picture right now.
Chanel! Who that? How are you?
I just see your mother up the road.
Just a share going night town, sir. I'm supposed to go night town, you know. I never know say you stop by.
So like you have plans, so like you have somewhere to go. But anyways, your mother said remember you have to take out some out of the fridge and take out the clothes them off the line. So where you go?
Girl, I tell you say that told me I go deal with something. And by the way, which plans you have talk about? Everybody just watch me so. And me alone can't go do nothing.
Excuse me, and I don't food now so we can eat.
I'm cool, girl, man. Long time no see you.
Long time no see you too.
Boy. Oh, God, you good?
Yes, brother.
Alright, good, man.
Long time no see you.
I'm glad to see you still.
Oh my, so much clothes you have found there.
You have to go wait little because my friend there, I never know if I should have stopped by. But I'm not that fat today. She loves sleeping, so I'm going to give her something for she sleep. And, you know.
It sounds like I can't see one can't see it for me.
My friend has stopped by. I never know if I should have stopped by. And that go on, man.
Alright. As soon as you drop a seat, you call me, yeah?
Chanel! Chanel! Chanel!
Shall I call you?
Chanel!
Yeah!
Chanel!
Yeah! We are calling myself for somebody dead?
But take out the clothes them, cause the time like it set up like rain and go fall and then dry. Yeah, guani. I should have allowed the lawyer. I should have left them, make them wet up and make your mother come broke you. You come and go on.
I know you are come talk about. You see because sun and sun act and talk about rain and go fall.
But you're nice, man.
Me have more on there now, so look at juice here.
look, the patty tastes extra nice. Come on, extra the hair around it.
So now carry the juice. Carry the juice when I have to drink it.
Look at sun draws me up and little clothes and I take up and wanna sleep.
Did I use the sun not hot?
I told the time they look overcast. I wanna sleep.
Out of the front. You have to hurry up and come because I don't want my friend to wake up and she not sit at the house. So hurry now.
Dirty boy, she want to go with Mwana, bola bola Mwana, if I'm at the even moving now. I see you with the dirty boy again. I hope I use condom.
How are you talking about, Abby? After I'm not going to do nothing, I'm going to town, I go.
You hear me? I warn you. The man that can't get nothing. Remember say you're underage and a big old man that. Girl, remember me I want it and a workless man that him workless.
Me I come go in here because you can't go and chat and believe what you want to believe. Because me I tell you some girl and son, I'm not going to do nothing.
She done broke up in nose and skirt. I'm would help her because she's not here. I take me for idiot. You come here and call me and know so she's not there. How for this?
Most of the boy them were listening up at the gate last night. And most of them drop it out there.
No, you know. No, you see you look a girl that dull so when nobody talk to you. You might think say I like me, I like it when me I tell her this, but me I tell her for your own good. She say your mother have it all the day already. Me I tell her say just do what you have to do and you not even listen to me. Give me this.
But watch ya, give me something man. You're going to have for me and for your money by it.
Me a real job?
Money for fix up my TV. Even though no one I gonna get my 30,000 to fix up my TV, but I want it back, you know. Because the TV around there, so I'm my little fun and enjoyment. That to you, me I say, as a matter of fact, I want to fight for. One could have worked, but I long now come and apart. I want now. Hey, wait there. I hope no man on in here war boy, you know. Because you little pitney, I know say he's very prime. Come, hey. I don't know, you know, but when I find my 30,000 fix my TV, you know. What are they really? So really, I be a shadow, what really a fight? Because I can't afford to now war over and mash up all my TV. What really a fight over? You talk to me.
You want me to tell her what happened? You want me to tell her what happened? Or you want to tell her what happened?
It's no matter you want to talk about this. Me don't hurt me right now, you know. I'm going to lay down.
Somebody what really go on. You have to plan to tell me what really happened.
When you know what going yeah? Sometimes I'm empty.
Alright, I just saw the ticket to go. Fly high, fly low, mark it down, 10 in here. When I have to go find back that 30,000 and fix back my TV. You don't think my TV I go so? Because I know I must push this to now war over. Remember me tell you no that. You hear? Remember me tell you no that. Because I know I foolish to now war over and mash up my TV by the enjoyment. You know, man? Fly higher, fly low, not forget about that.
Hello?
Hello?
Sorry for the fight. You really can't make this much of a friendship. Remember, so we're a friend from a long time.
Understand that, girl.
Anyways, I have something to talk to you about. Yeah, if I always think, man, not a full spot.
Yeah, and out there can come. Alright. No, I know.
No, someone wanted.
How I don't know.
I'm pregnant.
Yeah, breed?
Yeah.
After the same dirty boy me that one about?
Yes, him same one.
Me tell about him, you know? Me tell about him. So your mother know about this?
My mother for know about it. Remember, say me young. My mother can't know about this.
So what you plan to do? Keep it or dash it away?
Me I keep it. I don't have no money for that straight pitney, so.
So you feel like you're ready for one pitney?
I'm not ready for that pitney because right now I'm now work. And if my mother find out about the situation, you know what I'm doing.
The best advice me can give you after dash it right now.
I don't have no money. I give me some money.
I don't have any. Or you go to your mother and tell her the situation and see what she can do.
Because I say my mother can't know about this. I now work. Plus, girl, my mother can't.
So what you gonna do? You don't know the man and police can lock you up or lock him up because you're underage.
Girl, right now I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
And me know me did that one about the boy. Me tell you.
Babes, wagwan. But then, you don't miss me. Yeah, I miss you too. Hey, you don't even know I miss you, baby. Can't stop think about you. Yeah. You know, don't know, man. You know, say me now a little spot though. I don't know if you can give me a little helping hand, you know. Yeah, I don't know some TV mash up. I don't know where to find the first dollar, you know, for buy back one. Yeah. But 120,000 feet, man. Even half you can make me up with. Yeah. Yeah, man, send it to Western Union, man. Remember, say you can't send it to me because they block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then you will just send your information to me. Yeah. So we can deal with alright then. So yeah, babes. Yeah. So yeah, say I plan to travel. Yeah, so you mean we can't wait for you to come. But you wanna be able to, you have to go push down your date a little bit further down this certain month. Because you don't know say my time of the month you know. Yeah. I know, man, I know. Just go and hold it, baby, because I hold out too. You see it? Alright. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey. 120,000 pity not even know this. Hey, some get extra. Chanel! Chanel! How will you girl, man? I don't tell her the field.
Wait a minute. Madam, where is she? Hello? Hello? May I come to mother, yeah?
Remember if I talk to her about the situation, if I not on, she plan to put you out, you can come stay with me.
time me call you, I'm not tell you say this left yard. Eh? Much time tell you left yard. Anyway, my friend there when me go down I was streaming and I go collect little food there for me.
Should I know this, sir?
Me I want you link her because I have a piece of money more she go collect for me, you see?
Alright.
Hello? How that you know? Alright.
Alright.
You get tired?
Yeah.
Alright, me I go and wait for her then. So wait till I'm to you, you know. Ain't nothing, no. So I wait to look on my phone and as me I come. Awa, I'm gonna text up on phone. Well, as a matter of fact, give me the phone and let me see night. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone, pull the phone.
See the money that do nothing.
You need to do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright, I must find out how you're up to, you know, I must find out here. You say any day, name day, I find out say a man you have little girl. Let me tell you this. You might go straight to prison, that me I tell you. Hey, me won't even talk. You say if you ever breed na this girl, me tell you something, your grand people, them have whole heap of land you go and farm. I got a tongue go sell bag juice, because you're not staying here with it. And that me I tell you. You know what? As a matter of fact, go on and go find something for doing in that house. No! And I make me talk twice. You must think so me an idiot. You think me a fool, you think me born big. I say the day and day I find out say a man you have in this year. Right through the door you go. Oi! I woulda. How are you? Come in out there, son, man. Now go right back and run her back. Throw her back there, be something. Now call her come back here.
I see. Hello? So me I call you from the other day, I nah get you. From me I have sex, me I call you nah answer you for me nah get you. I want me. But anyways, me have something to tell you. I'm pregnant. Hello? Hello? So really hang up the dirty boy hang up on me? So that something me a do.
So how you man run yourself on the phone? So how you love ends up by yourself on the phone? Now what interest on the phone so?
No, me have something just check on the phone.
You know, something you check on the phone. Something you check all the mind things say me an idiot. All your little mind things say me an idiot. Anyway, your friend round the saw wait for you all long. So here what? See paper here the information. We're going to call it the something. 160,000. Not a dollar less, not a cent less. And I'm wait too long. You hear me I tell you go on and come back.
I mean, what I want? No.
So girl, I said nothing to your mother yet about it?
Girl, not for me, if you tell her, say me a breed. My mother say if me a breed, she put me out and... Girl, I can't tell my mother
But
about
girl,
this,
I
you
can't
mad?
keep this for long. I can't keep that secret to her for long. I say your belly I go show you know.
Mother don't say can't. Girl, come like you want my mother to hear.
You stand there. You look at me. Anyway, take it to I go find her.
But anyways, I was telling her mother, do you want to go now?
I mean, I need to change my dress. I forgot to change back this and put on my dress. Girl, I don't know nobody saying I go breed. They done breed already. So it's either you tell her mother or me tell her.
Ladies, ready? Good? Ah, cool.
Yeah. I have to tell her.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother.
Cause when I tell him the boy make me nearly fall out. I mean I know you gonna have sex without condom, girl. What kind of style then there? Tell her if you dash your boy and the boy not call you from your breed.
Girl, if me had the money for dash it away, I'ma dash it away. Girl, right now I'm just confused at the moment. I'm confused.
You like a money are the problem, but yeah, I have a little style, but it's very risky. You can't make you not have no more pretty for the rest of your life, so.
Here, I'm not here. Just come to me.
Alright, girl, come and show me.
Girl, I feel like something for texting my money to deal with something.
Deal with what?
The pregnancy for dash with the belly.
Girl, you're mad. Mama say me I collect the money in my information is collect the money in your mother that cost me out.
But just to ask, anyways, I'm gonna find another solution. Cause I just ask me to ask.
But girl, you know you could have never ask that. Anyway, that is a stupid question.
I'm not gonna do this one.
Dean! Yo, Dean!
Yo!
Huh? Sure.
Dada. Ah, John.
Yo, today you tell me, my youth. No bother with that, no. No bother with that, no. Today you tell me,
Dada. Yo. John, brother. I don't feel like a grown thing now, brother. You see me? Well, yeah, we're gonna look emergency roll up, you see me? Alright now, now on a live cash permanent fund. You see me I say? But yeah, we're going. I know if you can just give me a little bit more time, you see me? Because my girl for do something for me today, you see me? So I can make her get some money, you see me? But up until the top, I tell you honestly, I have no money for me, Dada.
Brother, I every day store this, you know. I today I want the money, you know. I today, you know. Yo, and a later. Just a later. It's alright. It's a different ball game. I look upon if later come and I get my money still. You know? Yeah, my youth, I take you as a bridging. I take you as a bridging. You decide, say, yo, you can pay back by X time. And all now. Brother, Brother, me I warn you. Brother, me I warn you.
Yeah, for going so still no cause, you see me? I do not tell you say how my girl are forward in today, you see me, with some fun, you see me? Just a little bit more time me ask for, you see me? I don't know if I go on so dog, I meet the whole neighbor with more me a business dog. Watch nothing man, I start out the business man, you see me? You know me not style them with them, a long time me a friend me.
Yeah, I hear you know. But I just how you deal with things, you know, brother. Brother, you could have deal with this better than that, you know. You say you don't want me loud up and you don't want people to hear your business, but if you don't deal with this thing, you would have to reach us. So. Brother, you're a big man, you know. I can't believe you do me this. Me apart from school days. Me there with you. Brother, you don't need to go around me. But you don't say a woman come at X time. So, I'm going to see you deal with it today. Then we are going to know how we can separate the boys from the men.
Yeah, man, I understand.
Don't give me your word. Well, you give me your words over and over. But this time, I take it as a loss. My youth. I make it reach no further. I make it reach no further. When I have to turn this in a different ball game. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. So what you want me to do? You want me to wait or what? Because you don't tell me say a woman are coming.
I know, say I'm busy man still now. You see me? I know, say if nothing probably have things to do in a day. So if you have nothing to mash up, you can mash it up and give me back a link still.
Cut your bullshit! Come talk about...
Brother, no bullshit dog. I tell you, dog. I'm not going this time around, dog. You see me? Because I know say a long time, you see me? You link me and can't afford for you to link me constantly, you see me, without me have a thing prepared, dog. So now watch nothing, I get a thing sorted out, dog. You see me? Just give me, as I say, give me a little bit more time. I say if you have something to sort out, just start it out and just give me back a link. You see me? I'm going to go
today
right, so I'm not going to
that's how I remind you. Today at the day. So if you know say you go around me, you know, just know it go. Here we go on. I'll link you back in 15 minutes. And when I come back, I want not talking. So, deal.
Yo, in 15 minutes, dog? Brother, we can't scratch me in 15 minutes, brother. Yeah, you man say, just give me an hour or two, brother. Just give me an hour or two, brother. You start out a thing, man. But 15 minutes, brother, come on, man. Me even spit a gun, it never reach in 15 minutes, dog. Daddy, come on, man.
Alright. You say an hour or two. You say it, you know. I'm going to give you time. Because it look like you dig your own grave. Know yourself. 2 hour time.
I did this, you know. Yeah. Yeah, B. Hey, boy. Boy, some food in the you know some more? Yeah, B. You think you can give me one link in a day? Yeah, man. Give me a link in a day, man. You see me? I want to chat to you about something. See if you can reach my foot. Yeah, man. Alright then. You don't know what you do. Well, since I say never come when time the mango did in. You see me I say? Just 1 and 2 left now still, but I have 2 in the can give still now ready to move. You know?
Come in like mommy, you know. It's a story the man got them say when man got done out. I know. Remind me of mommy.
That's that, man. But no, don't worry yourself, man. Everything will go alright, man.
You know, we have a little situation.
What about?
Alright, brother. Alright. If you even know me, I have a situation and I have a surgery to go deal with.
Yes, sis. Surgery?
Yeah, brother, surgery.
For what? What happened to you?
Don't know.
Man, talk to me, man. It sounds like you don't even want to say what you want to say to me. Talk to me, man. What you say?
Brother, the same thing where Same thing happened to mommy, man. Same thing.
Sis, you serious? You serious? Right now, a joke you tell me right now. Yeah, you tell me foolishness, sis.
Never sleep last night.
A joke you make, sis. Right now, this sound like one curse the power as a family. Oh, sis, yo, sis. What go on? Where are you doing? Oh, some man just run for you. The money thing there, did you get the money? Oh, I never get none, John. Yo, don't watch nothing still, man. Don't watch nothing, man. Nah, man, you don't have to worry about that, man. You see me? I sort out something, man. Just little time, you know? I sort out something. I make something reach you, man. I'm one sister, man. I don't have nothing to you, see me? Yeah, man, no watch that. Everything are good. Alright. No watch that. Alright.
Alright. Yeah, but remember say you can't send it to me because them block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make a do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then
Ladies, where are they? Good? Where are they, sis? Everything good with you? You girl there. What that?
Remember to pay your mother the money. Yeah, now go down go change and come.
Yo. I know how this still know, but I tell you what I want. No, say you're breathing. I know why your mother find out. I know you're underage. So here what you gonna do? I know say you have to collect in some funds, you know. You don't worry about all this, man. I say I know I need to know. I just need to work how me tell you how to work. Now here what I got. I know say I get in some money, you know. So here what you do? I want you left 100 grand in a brown paper bag right up at the column. So I say, as a matter of fact, I tell you this, a life and death thing this is going to reach you. Just make sure you do what I tell you, see me? I'm serious, them way the man, you're dead.
Alright. I'm gonna get the money and put it at a spot there so you can get it.
Alright then. That sound, yeah. You see me?
Do not tell my mother.
You know watch that, man. Me hold my end of the bargain. Yeah.
People come as fast as me could want.
You know, you know, say, there's a piece of money they really want to borrow for you because kind of like a spot, you see me? I know you stay.
So you could have said that over the phone. Yeah? How much money you want, so?
You know, say, yo, there's a 50 grand, I look for borrow.
50? What me forget 50 grand? What me forget 50 grand? You know, what may I do? What kind of work you see me I do?
B, I know you just asked me how much money I want for borrow, B. I'm tell you say I want 50. Yo. Matter of fact, forget it here, man. Me find out the deals. Everything good.
Me will try. You think me just have $50,000 put on, so?
No, so that's not about never.
We try.
You don't make me know, so you ask me how much and then I make you know how much is me and then Yeah, I'm over type of way, you see me?
But differently not be, you know, so me think of some sort out you want, you call me. Well, come up here in the mood and thing, you know, if you find out the money.
Yeah, easy still, no. Yeah, I'm still kind of stressed out in the day and I can't try it.
So no, that's why you should have linked me, man. Release some stress.
What else for coming?
You're dead! You're dead!
Yo! Yo, that's man, come across me. No. Yo, Dan, here we go on. You know, so I left the money up at Column in the creases. Here we go on, man, no, don't think say I fool me, I fool around this time around, you see me? I don't fool me, I fool you. Me just run come did something, so I just touch it off, you see me? So here we go on, just go up on the column, look between the creases of the wall, and see if you see a thing, brother.
But that sound like some joke thing you take this on. Like you don't understand how we are dealing with it. How? We deal with it too good. Like you fly past all your nests now. Yo, which color you talk about?
You
I
know
let me
that's
ask
the
you.
phrase there, enough time me hang out the brother. So you know which color me, I only color me really hang out, so you know me I talk about. I just stop going so daddy. I mean I tell you, I not send upon a wild ghost chase.
You could have mad.
I tell you say the column. You see me? We just have something to deal with and we couldn't bother to stay up the road and wait. You see me? We can't even explain what something we had reach me now, brother. You see me? A whole heap of stress me right now, you see me? I'm gonna make sure I sort out your thing because I want just more off my brain. So I say just go easy, man. You see me? You know if you bother with the one bag of loud nice brother and something, brother, you see me? Here we go. See there? My two phone them. I'm a car key. Two phone my car key, hold them. Go up on the column now and go search and see if you don't see it. And if you don't see it, you can just hold on upon them there and go sell them or do what you want to do with them. But make sure so when you find the money, you just bring back my thing, them come give me.
I wonder where money there. Could I swear say you put the money underneath the mattress to backside. But you know to my head because sometimes let me take out the money and not even remember to buy. No sir. Remember to buy. No sir. I wonder if we put it in this card. Yes, sir. No women the money.
You sound like it. You sound like it. Because here, no? Mark words. Now write it down. 10. 10 you not there? And sell them. So you decide. You could have mad. You could have crazy. You could have sick. Yo, I'll link you back in a few.
Swear say you put the money under the mattress. What about not coming about me and Chanel there? After Chanel give me money, I put it on there. You know, say I'm going to ask Chanel. I say I'm going to ask Chanel. I'm going to swear say I put it.
I'm like, I eat this man take man for now. No brown paper bag no there, sir.
I know so I could have swear Mr. Chanel come for another little corner left for me the money under the mattress. You know, so I could have a little girl I go take out my money from underneath the something. Hold on there. Watch me and I'll blouse and skirt and now. Chanel! Chanel, where my money there? Look at girl, my money there. You don't know for my money. Where you say you don't do it? You better say I'm murder you know this. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Where my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my girl say my money there? You don't know for my money there. What you don't know about my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there?
No, you need the car. She's pregnant.
Where you say? Wait, you know what? I know you're dead too. Where you say you do? Wait, what she say you do? What me so? Breathe out, why you breathe? Wait, backward.
Morning people, hope you know like the movie. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And hit the post notifications.
Talk to the people them. You know you have to talk to the people.
Look in the camera. You can't put on me, but nobody ever knows.
Anyways, people, Felicia, yeah.
Anyways, people, Felicia Cooper here. More big up AV. And want to know if you like, subscribe, and share.
Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean? What you say, my general? Tell the people what they know.
You see, straight to this. I don't know a thing, isn't it? Jamaica, big up yourself, you don't know a thing. Like, subscribe, share. Isn't it? Big up my mother, big up my father, isn't it? Big up the whole Atkins of family. You don't know Mumpella the place, isn't it? Tell you that right now, big up the whole Mumpella gang. Isn't it? Easy yourself, no man. Big up AV, big up Akim, big up Akim, you have to big up yourself, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. So big up my brother and sister, them seeing yeah, Mika, Richie. You know the thing, isn't it?
I don't know, no look out for me, just put in some work, I put it together. When I see me next in the episode, you see me? I make you laugh till next year then time. I hear that Ojo, the 1 Savior and 1G. For Instagram, I go send out my Snakers business. When I check out for the body Air Jordan, the body Retro 23, them gonna look
alright, yeah, ain't take too much of the fair, you know about that.
And action. And action.
Well, pause it, cool. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone. Pull the phone.
See them neither do nothing.
You neither do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright. I must find out what you're up to. You know, I must find out what I'm going here. I must. You just wait.
She come here.
Action.
Start a channel.
Action.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. If my mother find out about this, my mother go kill me. You want me? Me tell you so she'll go on the veranda with me? Yeah, idiot girl. Me not no money for that show the belly. Do not tell my mother. Me not tell my mother. Me don't see her. No, me can't say me don't see her.
Action. Action.
Yo, brother, you are going, no? You know, so I treat my run.
When I want.
It's like that.
And action. Check some more, man. Take a little more time, man. Check.
Don't see she asleep.
Yeah, check a little more, man.
Ready?
And action. And action.
You know, say a long time I not get no sort out and thing. And every 2 days my nature call. So, I want that.
Yes, people, board grand once more. I'll tell you if you check into AVTV. You don't know. Over yesterday. Yeah, man. In the east, Yeah, I want you see what I go on because I put in the work and I tell you, trust me, the thing them hot. You know, I don't know how to do best. Go over there, go subscribe, like, comment, share. You wear the pen pounder. You don't know. Your boy, Boyd Grant. Stay tuned. Up.
Action. No, down the same.
Down, sir?
Again. And action. Action.
The spit?
Mm-hmm.
But that's in my mouth.
Yes, hopefully you can make it this far in the video but can talk to you. So yes people, hope you enjoy the little movie there. And if you don't make it this far and not subscribe it, come on, it only makes sense you subscribe. Me keep you here this long, eh? Well, all of we keep you here this long. So go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it with somebody else, make them get some entertainment. You see me? So, yep. And for tell no one you can look forward to, well, you don't know this channel, you get the whole works. Short films, a vlog, everything, you see me? But for the people who just strictly want to see movie anytime them get a post notification, check the pinned comments, or the first comment you will see will lead you to a channel that I'll only upload movies over there. So definitely go and subscribe to that channel. Over here, short films, vlog, the whole works, because I don't know, me is a camera lover. Now I left my camera, we're married till death do us part, you see me? So, yeah, music videos, weddings, short films, movies, the whole works. As long as it's video, I'm in. So, thank you as always for the support. Thank you for follow me so long. Blur it not from police days. Big up on yourself, manners and respect. And Laro shall see you very, very soon. Oh, Jano. One day, I feel big up nobody when I not big up. Yo, big up everybody. Little more. Big up on yourself.